With the increasing number of beauty institutions, how to stand out, falling into a vicious circle of price war, how to break the situation. Do your beauty institutions also face these problems? When the beauty institutions have developed to a certain period, the way must be passed is to transform into the middle and high-end market. In this video, we will tell you how to break the situation in the beauty industry. 1. Legenda. Legenda adopts the dual mode of capacitance and resistance, and 3 temperature control therapies of non-thermal, warm, and hyperthermal. Improve immunity, rejuvenate the body, reduce visceral fat, and effectively manage pain. Provide comfort and health from head to toe. 2. 8D HIFU. 8D HIFU set off a new wave of multidimensional anti-aging. There are standard probes of 3.0 mm, 4.5 mm, 7.0 mm, 13.0 mm, and an optional 1.5 mm probe that are suitable for both face and body. One treatment achieves long-term lifting and anti-aging. It is a necessary luxury anti-aging product for middle and high-end customers. 3. EM-countouring. EM-countouring uses the latest technology for muscle building and fat burning. The oversized handles release high-intensity focused electromagnetic energy directly to 8 cm of muscle tissues, easily building muscles on the abdominal, hip, arm, and leg. It is the best product for middle and high-end customers to build muscles and shape bodies. 4. EM-Bella. EM-Bella uses HIFU technology to help improve the function of the pelvic floor muscles. 28 minutes is equivalent to 22,000 muscle contractions. Without any need to change clothes, just sit down and enjoy a pleasant change. It is ideal for mothers suffering from leaking urine, suitable for both men and women to rebuild a happy family. An effective product for middle and high-end customers to maintain the couple's relationship. 5. Multi-Shape. Multi-Shape integrates 3 technologies of multipolar RF, vacuum, and LED light. It is a body shaping and healthcare device that liberates beauticians' hands, very suitable for attracting and expanding customers. It has a variety of function settings, which can effectively enhance the customer's favor and dependence. Bosses of the beauty institutions, do you know about these middle and high-end devices for keeping customers? With these products, we believe that your beauty institution will be able to successfully break through the situation and rise steadily.